another Masterpiece Art Show for you. Come with me. I don't want to. I've got my sheet ready to go here, and we're ready for another Masterpiece Art Show. This is art paintings. These are all paintings that I've done, and they're going to be on my website. You'll be able to go there and click on the Facebook Masterpiece Art Show, and you will see these. But this is the first one. This is a painting of a harbor in Maine. I did this completely plein air. I'm going to get close so you can see some of the detail in that. You know how much I love detail. Anyway, I love the way the water came out in this. It just has a beautiful feel. That's just the way it looked. It's just the way it looked at that harbor in Maine. Okay, that's the first painting, and that is called Plain Afternoon Harbor. That's the name of that painting. Okay, this is painting number 2. Oh, this is a very interesting painting. I love this. This is a painting that I did of a harbor well, it's not really a harbor. This is just the way these boats are when the tide goes out. This is in Ireland, and I call it high and dry. This boat is just sitting there, and it just has a really, I don't know, a bit of a quiet, somber feeling to it. It's typical, though. You know, it's typical of the way the light is in Ireland. It's very muted, and I love the way these reflections are in this water. Anyway, that's another one of my paintings of a harbor. And then this is number 3. And actually, all 3 of these paintings are of boats. I don't know why, but I wanted to do one of boats this time. This one is a painting of shrimp boats. And oh, for those of you that love my knife paintings, this was completely done with knives. And you can see how quickly it had to be painted. It was early in the morning. I had to work fast with these knives to capture the way the light was hitting the front of this shrimp boat here. And then, of course, get all these masts and all these things in this boat. I love the way this one came out anyway. And I'll get closer. You can see some of the texture on that. Anyway, there's a lot of texture on this one. Anyway, that's number 3. So we have 3 paintings in our Masterpiece Art Show today. And that's your masterpieces. Anyway, what am I wearing? Well, it doesn't matter. I just have on a skirt today. I wear skirts a lot, and especially this time of year. Anyway, I wear them all year, but right now I just love having skirts on. And but I just wanted to show you those paintings. They're all nautical. They're all boats, and I hope you like those. I love painting boats. I love doing that. And they'll be on my art shows in my website. You go to the website and it says Masterpiece Art Shows. And all these paintings are available there. You can actually click on the painting and buy it if you want it. Anyway, thank you. I love talking to you guys, and we'll talk soon.